In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add textures to images in Canva. Textures are a simple way to add depth, character, and mood to your designs, whether you want a subtle paper grain, a gritty overlay, or something more artistic. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and by the end, you'll be able to apply textures with confidence. Start by opening the project you want to work on. This can be a new design or something you've already started. Make sure your canvas is visible and the image you plan to enhance is on the page, ready to go. Having your project open ensures the texture features will apply directly to your design. Next, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This is the section in Canva where you can find extra tools and integrations that expand what you can do. It's your gateway to specialized features, including the ones that handle textures. Inside the Apps area, use the search bar and type the word texture. You'll see results related to textures appear. Click on the option that matches textures so you can access a variety of overlays and styles. This will bring up choices you can browse, preview, and apply. Before you apply anything, click the picture in your design that you want to add a texture to. You'll know it's selected when you see a border or handles around it. This step is important because it tells Canva exactly which image should receive the texture effect. Now, select a texture you'd like to add. As you click different textures, you'll see your image change right away. This live preview makes it easy to compare options and pick the one that fits your creative direction. Try exploring a few variations to see how they interact with the colors and lighting in your photo. You might prefer a soft, subtle finish for a professional look, or a bold pattern for something more eye-catching. Once you see a texture you love, simply keep it applied to your selected image, and you're done. That's all there is to it. If you change your mind, you can always pick a different texture or undo your last action, so feel free to experiment and trust your eye. And that's it. You've successfully added a texture to an image in Canva. This quick method can elevate social posts, presentations, thumbnails, and more. Save your project when you're happy with the result, and enjoy the polished, textured look you've created.